Understanding the difference between Cat6 or Category 6 and Cat8 or Category 8 cables is crucial. This is because it directly affects network speed, reliability, and overall cost for installation and maintenance. Choosing the wrong cable can result in bottlenecked data speeds and wasted investment in features that may never be used. This includes insufficient shielding against interference, causing network instability, especially in demanding environments. Here are the main differences between Cat8 and Cat6 cables. Cat6 cables support speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. They're good for homes and offices. Cat8 cables can reach speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, but only for short distances. They're best for data centers. Cat8 has much better shielding to reduce interference than Cat6. Cat8 supports bandwidth up to 2000 MHz versus Cat6's 250 MHz. Cat8 cables are thicker and stiffer because of extra shielding. Cat8 cables have multiple layers of shielding. Cat6 often has none or a single shield. Cat8 is designed for short runs, up to 30 meters, to maintain top speed. Cat6 cables can transmit 10 gigabits per second only for about 55 meters. Beyond that, speed drops. Cat8 cables support higher frequencies, which means they handle more data at once. Cat8 may require newer network cards for full performance. Cat6 works with older devices. Cat6 cables can be unshielded twisted pair, UTP, while Cat8 cables always have shielded pairs. Cat8 cables tend to have plenum-rated jackets for fire resistance. Cat6 may not. Cat8 is backward compatible with Cat6, but Cat6 can't match Cat8 speeds. Cat8 is more expensive and may be overkill for regular home use. Cat6 cables are more flexible and easier to install in tight spaces. Choosing the right cable is key to network speed and reliability. If you want lightning-fast connections in short distances, Cat8 is ideal. For typical home or office internet, Cat6 is reliable and affordable. Picking without knowing wastes money or limits speed. Here's an example to help you understand better. Think of Cat6 like a two-lane road. It's good for regular traffic. Cat8 is like a highway with 8 lanes / it's much faster, but only for short distances. If your trip is short and you need speed, the highway wins. For longer trips, 2 lanes get you there fine. Imagine water pipes. Cat6 is a normal pipe carrying water to your home, enough for family needs. Cat8 is a massive pipe used in a factory to fill many containers fast. If you put a massive pipe in your small house, it's wasted and hard to fit.
Simply click the link below to learn more.